Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to remove and replace a hard drive. First thing you want to do is go to the back of the computer and you want to locate these 4 screws and remove them so you can take off the side panels. Okay, that's one side. So to remove the side panel, you want to pull to the rear and then you want to pull out. Take off the other side panel as well. Okay, now that'll expose our hard drive, which is down here. To remove the hard drive, you're going to have to take a set of screws out on both sides. There'll be 2 screws on each side. Okay, now another set of screws here. Okay, now we got the screws removed. We got to remove the connections. There should be a data connection and a power connection. Here, I'll try to get in here and show you. Okay, so there we have it. Give it a little more light. There we go. There we go. So there's our data and our power connection. So obviously those both need to be removed. So this is data right here, this black one. That's your data connection. This guy, this one right here, that's a SATA cable, and that's for your data connection to the hard drive. The other end of this is plugged into one of the SATA ports on the motherboard. See up there. Okay, and for the other connection, that's your power connection. Okay, so now we can take this hard drive out. And there you have it. To replace it, it's the exact same situation, just in reverse. And there's our 2 connections. So, let's see here, I'll get a better look at it. So there's our 2 connections. So right here, that's your power connection. And the second one next door, right here, that's your data connection, and that's where your SATA cable goes in. And as you can see, you can't flip them in upside down because there's these little tabs. You see right here, these little lips. So it makes it impossible to connect the connections in upside down. So it makes it a little easier. And as you can see, there's a little tab on that power connection. See right here, see that's where the little lip is. So you can't put these in upside down, so not to worry for something like that.